After that, Mediterranean vegetable like red yellow bell pepper is the crozet. This is very easily prepared, as in there's nothing much prepared, just been cut thin and tossed with a little bit of olive oil for a little bit of pre-cooking.
Okay.
Once the sauce, the cheese and the topping has been put, ready to go into the oven.
Okay.
And there we have it.
Wow, the layer looks really nice and crispy too. I can hear it here.
You could hear the crunch of the sides being cut.
Yes. Okay.
And to top, you just drizzle a little bit of olive oil just to finish it. That's the Mediterranean flavors.
So our pizza is ready.
We are doing a dessert which is a sweet pasta. We're making a pasta which will be stuffed with chocolate. And who doesn't like chocolate?
Who doesn't like chocolate?
Who doesn't like chocolate? We're making a ravioli, a stuffed pasta, homemade, stuffed with chocolate and then finished with a little bit of custard. For chocolate ravioli, first I'm taking refined flour,
Okay.
some chocolate powder, cocoa powder that adds the color and the taste of chocolate, because otherwise if you have melted chocolate or chocolate inside this, when you cook it, melts and the dough breaks. Cocoa powder brings it all together.
Okay.
After that, mix all together. Egg yolk.
Okay.
That's whole egg. Plus for additional body, since this is chocolate, it needs to be more tight, more hard. It needs to hold the melted chocolate later on inside. You have to add extra egg white to this.
Okay.
You can see now that how it all comes together. A little bit of kneading is required.
Okay.
All comes together. And towards the end, a little drizzle of olive oil
Okay.
to finish the taste, to finish the flavor, finish the dough making.
Okay.
The oil would not allow it to dry up too much when you leave it to rest for a little bit before you roll the dough. We can allow it to rest for about 20 minutes so that the gluten develops. Roll it very thin, about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. This is, as you can see, a little mold that we have where you already have the indentations where you put the first sheet,
Okay.
the stuffing, and you put a second sheet. So it easily makes it like a cup. It's easy to fill up like this.
Fill up.
You can make small pieces, and how we do karanji at home, you can
Karanji,
fold it
fold it,
inside and stick it with a little bit of with a little batter of maida and water or with egg. This is a stuffing for the ravioli.
Okay.
So I am using like mascarpone cheese. Mascarpone cheese. There is grated dark chocolate and a little bit of white chocolate.
Okay.
We just mix it together. None of this needs to be cooked together.
Okay.
Just mix together.
This is just to
So that the two layers get stuck together. If anyway we're using egg in the dough, or else if you're not using egg, then this batter, the sticking substance can be made with just mixing a little bit of water and flour together.
Flour together.
Divide, since the gaps are there, here it is easier to judge
Easier to
where the
judge.
filling is and where not. Easier to divide. This is all the mold helps us with, that's all.
Yes.
Can be easily done at home also.
It
Now-
comes like that, man.
You see the shape, the design that has come out. You can see the stuffing which is there, and simultaneously we have the boiling water ready
Okay.
for blanching the pasta. In this recipe, you would have noticed that we didn't use any salt
Salt.
because this is supposed to go into a dessert.
Okay.
For ravioli. So this is the made from fresh cream, some brandy, and some sugar.
Okay. Any other option for this sauce?
Yeah, I can.
You can make a simple home style custard with custard powder, milk, and sugar in case you want to make it simple.
Simple. ओके सो जे आमचे व्ह्युअर्स मातशे आतां चिंतता आसतले की कशें सॉस तयार केला शेफान तर व्हडली व्हडली नांवां घेता यू ऑल कॅन जस्ट मेक विथ अ प्युअर कस्टर्ड जे आमी करता फ्रूट सॅलडाच्या वयर जे सर्व करता You can just make with that. It has already started smelling good with the custard and the chocolate. Avinash, you have really missed a lot. Thinking that pizzas and pastas wouldn't be healthy, but you were wrong.
And on top of that, you can spoon a little bit of the custard. And it is ready to eat.
Wow. So it was a real treat for us at Siddharth. Pasta, pizza, and this is something new for me, totally new, and I'm definitely it's something new for our viewers also. Thank you, chef, for sparing your so busy time with us. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you.
That's not the end. At this festival, you can also enjoy one of the popular Mango Mania festival at Siddharth. Aha! 12th May is celebrated at Mother's Day. Do celebrate your Mother's Day at Siddharth this time. They have something special for all the loving mothers.
And now welcome to Guesto's Chef's Kitchen.
पण हे जे हांगा इन्ग्रिडियंट्स आसात न्ही ते पयले जाल्यार म्हाका एक याद जाता मगो आतां नवीन वर्स आमचे मराठी म्हयन्या प्रमाण लागलेलें आसा आतां त्या म्हयन्यान मगो अशा दाळीची चटणी केली वता हे म्हाका मात्र खबर पैसा कुछ है शेफ
चैत्र महीने में एक पूरा मंथ दिस इज देयर एवरी टाइम फॉर 24 आवर्स
ओके
घर में कोई आया तो देना ही है
ओके
ऐसा रहता है
की आमच्या घरान आतां जेन्ना हळदी कुंकू आसा तेन्नाय कसल्या टायपची हांव म्हणजे चटणी म्हणटा अशी केली वता
ही गजाल म्हाका मातशी नवीनूच कित्याक आमगेर अशें काय म्हणजे हांवें पळोवना माय फॅमिली सो आई थिंक इवन आई शुड लर्न एज अ वुमन
इसको महाराष्ट्र में कैरी की दाल बोलते हैं
केळीची डाळ ओके
so I'm going to use it make
Yes.
it now for that required चने का दाल जो है वो you need to soak it for overnight
ओके ओवरनाइट
and the raw mango which is grated and kept it okay for you that required is green chili coriander leaves oil mustard seeds salt red chili powder and turmeric
Okay.
to give a tempering for it and now it is a very simple to make it you need to crush it only till there should be some granules in it okay no need to add a water in it when you are grinding the dal. Now this is halfly granule. Okay, you can see there are some of the grains are still like that.
Yeah.
Okay, that time only you have to take it out. Now we are gonna add this raw mango in it, which is grated and kept it. Some green chilies, some coriander, some salt. Now we are gonna give the tempering. Before that, we need to mix it. Now we are going to give the tempering to dal.
अविनाश, आमच्या हातून प्रत्येक सणाची प्रत्येक महिन्याची अशी एक स्पेशालिटी अशी आसा.
आणि तशी स्पेशालिटी आसा तांची म्हणजे वेगवेगळे तरांचे
पदार्थ आणि स्टायलू डिफरंट आसा.
Some turmeric. Now it's extra heated up. Some turmeric in it. Now the red chilies. To just give a color, the red chili is only for
Color.
give color. Okay. Now this is done. The tempering is done. Okay. Now you put it on the top of it. Now you mix it. Now we'll do the presentation. This is the kairi ka dal. Okay.
So this was our yet another journey in search of good food and only good food.
आम्ही ज्यो तुमकां डिशीज दाखयल्यो त्यो तुमी घरा कडेन करून पळयात आणि त्यो कश्यो जाल्यो हें कळोवपाक मात्र आमकां विसरो नाकात.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
आतां तुमकां सगळ्यांक बाय बाय.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
दर शुक्रारा सांजे 7:30 वरांचेर आणि 9:30 वरांचेर बायट इट प्रोग्राम मात्र पळोवपाक विसरो नाकात.
ह्या फावट बायट इट चुकला आसत जाल्यार लॉग इन टू www.prudentmedia.in.
कीप वॉचिंग
Prudent. झाले ओंकार.
5 4 3 2 1 stay.
Okay.
This program brought to you by Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. Guesto, cook and taste with a difference.